Hey there, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare delicious mince. So let's get started. First things first, what we need to do is chop an onion and then chop a tomato. Once that's done, we need to use a ginger root, chop it to fine pieces. And there you go, we have ginger root, chopped into fine pieces, tomato, onion, and most importantly, we're missing one ingredient, which is garlic. So what we'll use here is 1 tablespoon of garlic, as you can see there. What we'll use here is classic olive oil, a dash of classic olive oil in the pan, and turn the heat up until the oil has been heated. Spread the onions out evenly, and then of course once that's done, what we need to do is cook the onions with the oil that has by now been heated. As you can see, it's smoking. And we need to fry the onions until they are lightly golden brown. Once that's done, add the chopped tomato. Once again, stir the tomato along with the onions till it cooks nice and evenly. Once that's done, we have the 2 most important ingredients, which is ginger root, which of course we have chopped. That's ginger root. Once again, mix it into the dish. Once that's done, we have to add the garlic. So that's 1 tablespoon of garlic. Again, once again, mix it nicely in the pan with all the other ingredients. Then put the lid on it. Keep the lid on for 2 minutes. Once the lid is off, keep stirring this mixture. Then what we need to do is add 2 tablespoons of meat masala. Now this meat masala is available in your local grocery store. Add it to 1/4 cup of water. Mix it in and keep stirring it. Once that's done, add the meat in. And just make sure you break it up nicely because sometimes it has a tendency to chunk up. So ensure that the minced meat is nicely broken up, especially during this time, which is crucial so that it doesn't lump and we don't get chunks or lumps of it while the cooking is in progress. After that, mix it nicely into the mixture and the masala. Close the pan with the lid. After 5 minutes, see the progress. And of course, by now, most of the mince would be sealed, which means it would be nearly cooked. Put the lid back on for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take the lid off, add salt, and once again stir it so that all the salt gets into the meat and adds a bit of flavor to it. Close it one more time. we need to add ground coriander. That would be 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. Set the timer for 20 minutes of cooking on sim. After 20 minutes, open the lid, and there you go. The meat is now cooked. And make sure that the oil separates from the meat. It's one sign that the meat has been cooked properly. As you can see, the oil is separated from the meat. Hey, I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share that video, as it would really help. Until next time, you take care and hope to speak to you again in my next video. Bye for now.